Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to continue with restoring some of my vintage candy. Let's see, what do I want to start with? Okay, so this is one of my favorites. It's Little Mermaid with these little balls inside. Is this the cutest ever? This one's in good shape, so I don't have to repair it. But Pink, the girl who started Candy Trade, the message board back in the day, she made this and gave it to me. But I absolutely love this bead. It's so cute. This was made by my friend Phil. Simple but cute. This one we are gonna have to repair today. It's got that metallic string. And look at those beads. You can still see what they say, but all the paint came off. I found more jelly bracelets. I didn't realize how many I had. I have quite a few, but they're so like discolored. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but now this is a really special piece and it's very old. This is the first bracelet I received or ever saw one of these clips on a bracelet. Not to mention it has this adorable teddy bear and it says Plur and it has tri beads, which are my favorite, with some glow beads. I adore this one and I have not wore it in a long time. It's on like that thinnest elastic, so we're going to repair this one today. So I'll put those to the side. Okay, now this, oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start with this one. I don't know if I'm up for the challenge, but these, so I know I showed my candy glove before, so that was the first one I made, and then after that, I experimented with using different beads for the fingers, and I will say that was not a great idea. I mean, it looks cool, but like these stars are a little stabby on your fingers, but this, oh my gosh, it's like ready to break at any second. But it has really cool beads, so we can check those out. So Target used to have in the, what's it, the kids section, like a giant bead kit, and it came with all these fun different shape beads. Like, are these not amazing? And then these cute little butterflies, like they're different. I don't know if anyone still makes this kind, but I know B10 has butterflies, but these are different. Oh, there they are. I think this is like more like what you can get today, but yeah, there's a comparison. But oh my gosh, these freaking beads on here. I love those textured ones. Bow ties. Oh, you know what? These were really popular too. These little different faces. So I made two pairs. That's one. And here's, goodness. Okay, this one has all pony beads for the fingers. I must have, I don't know if I made this one first or this one. But If I made this one before this one, I must have gotten the clue and just used pony beads for the fingers. Here's some of those beads. Yeah, it looks like the best beads are over there. There are some of those textured ones, but mostly stars. But yeah, I don't know what to do with these. Like, I may repair them, but it's like, I don't know. I think that's going to take me, I mean, it takes me hours just to make a glove that doesn't look like this, so I can only imagine this is going to take way too long. But I thought it would be fun to show those. Okay, well, we're going to start with this one. Oh, I should put this down a little bit. But man, I loved that bead kit. I think I only bought one and then probably used it up and went back to try to get another one, and it was gone. That's something I don't really see anymore. Is those? I mean, it was a huge bead kit. Like, it didn't come in a I don't even know how to explain it. Like, you ever see those like kitchen sets with like all the food? Like, it's not in it. It's packaged in like a giant box. That's how the bead kit was. It wasn't like in your normal bead box. It was ginormous. I mean, we definitely have access to a lot of different beads today, but I really do miss these, like, funky looking, like, I don't know. They just have a little more personality. I know if anyone's ever wondering, like, why is my candy so dirty? Um, well, back then I was too busy raving. I never even thought about cleaning them. And most of the parties I went to were in like dusty, dirty warehouses. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. Here's that string. That feels good. Well, I'm excited that I got these out because these are in good shape. I can still wear those, but super excited to wear this one again. I think, I don't know where's, I guess I'm gonna have to cut this eventually because the string's not gonna go through those letter beads or tri beads. So I used to get so excited when I would get animal beads. Because a lot of times back then I would get like it was just like a mixed bag of beads. It had like all the beads, they weren't sorted, they were just all mixed together. And there would be a few of those animals in there. And I would be so excited when I found some in my beads. Okay, this is, don't lose the pattern. Maybe I should, it's getting a little hairy. Uh-oh. Are you going to go through there? Am I going to have to get a thinner string? Oh. Hallelujah. I might have to keep cutting it, though. It's like I had to get, you have to get like serious for these letter beads when they don't fit. Yeah. Yeah, when your ends, does anyone do that? When your ends fray, if you trim the end, you can get the bead on. Oh, let's have the double R on there. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Oh my goodness. Oh, one more and then it should be smooth sailing. Yeah. Well, for future, I should have known better. I needed a little thinner string. There we go. Okay, I have to put this on before I forget what bead it went on. Ooh. Oh, that already came out. Yay. Good as new. That's exciting. It really has like two fronts. So you could have the charm and the teddy bear up front or the letter beads. Yeah, I just really like that bracelet. Well, that was intense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.